Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. How many times have you installed a brand new WordPress theme, expecting it to look like the demo, but when you see the homepage, it ends up with a plain and boring homepage that looks totally different from what was advertised? Yeah, that's frustrating. I've been there too. But don't worry, your site isn't broken, it just needs a little setup. So why should you edit your WordPress homepage? Well, by default, WordPress shows your latest blog posts on the homepage, which is fine if your website is mainly a blog. But if you're running a business, a portfolio, a service-based site, or anything else, you'll want a homepage that introduces your brand, showcases your work, and guides visitors toward what you want them to do next. With a custom homepage, you can add things like a welcome message, images, calls to action, testimonials, or even a video, all of which help create a more professional and engaging first impression. So in this video, I'll show you how to edit your homepage in WordPress. To replace that homepage with something a little more custom, you'll want to set a static homepage. A static homepage means a fixed front page instead of a list of blog posts. The first step to setting a static homepage in WordPress is, of course, creating a page. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Pages, and select Add Page, and create a page as you normally would. You can give this page the name you want, or you can use an existing page if you already have one. Don't worry about adding content yet. We will edit that later. Go ahead and click Publish. Now go back and create another page called Blog. This is optional, but if you still want a page that shows your latest posts, you'll need this too. Once both pages are created, go back to your dashboard, head over to Settings, and select Reading. At the top, you'll see an option that says Your Homepage Displays. Select a static page, then set the homepage drop-down to the page you just created. You can also select a Posts page, which will serve as your standard blog page displaying your recent posts. Here, I'm going to select the Blog page, then click Save Changes. Now that you've assigned the homepage, it's time to customize it. Go back to the Pages section, find your front page, and click Edit. You can design your homepage either by using the standard WordPress editor or by using a page builder plugin. If you want to edit with your site editor, click the plus icon at the top left. Here you can start by adding different blocks like headings, paragraphs, buttons, images, or even layout blocks like columns or groups. You can also go to the Patterns tab, which are pre-designed sections that you can drop into your homepage and customize. You'll find layouts for starter content, features, testimonials, call to action sections, and more. You can always preview your changes to see how your homepage looks before publishing. If you'd rather use a page builder, I recommend Thrive Architect, which is an extremely intuitive page builder that will allow you to build gorgeous, conversion-focused pages without writing a single line of code. Or a page builder like Elementor and Beaver Builder for even more design flexibility. To add a page builder plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, then click Add New. Here you can search for a page builder plugin you want to use, then click Install Now and activate. A page builder plugin lets you drag and drop sections easily, which is great if you're not familiar with coding. But if you prefer to show your latest blog posts as your static homepage instead, it's an easy change to make. Go back to your dashboard, then navigate to Settings and select Reading. Make sure your homepage display option is set to Your Latest Posts instead of a static page. Click Save, and your homepage will show your blog posts again. And that's it! You now know how to set up and edit your WordPress homepage. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit GigaPress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.